Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix send and receive iMessage from phone number loading. If you are using any iPhone or iPad, you have just enabled your iMessage, but your iMessage send and receive has been phone number loading and it's stuck. So let's see how can you fix that. So very first, you just have to open your settings app, and it might be your software issue. So you just have to open your general settings here, go for software updates, and you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection to make software updates, and you have to also make sure that you haven't any pending software update. And once you have done, you just have to go back, open the app section from here, look for messages app, tap on it, and here you just have to try to enable your iMessage. And here you can see that waiting for activation or your phone number loading if you are stuck on this screen. So you have to try to enable and disable it up to 4 or 5 times, but you have to make sure that once you have enabled, you have to wait for almost 1 minute and then disable it, then enable it again, wait for 1 minute and disable it. Or if it's not working for you, so you just have to enable it, go back and try to make a force restart, because it might be your iPhone glitch. To fix that, you have to make a force restart. Now to do that, you have to quickly press the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button, wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, your issue will be fixed and you will be able to use your iMessage without any loading or stuck screen issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.